Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy. I have an exciting unboxing for you guys for a hair loss product that was sent to me. Super excited to receive this iRestore because I actually am suffering from hair loss. I know it doesn't look like, but I will show you my before photos and I'm going to share my story on this video and take you guys on this hair journey that I'm going to start, and I'm going to let you know if this works. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. I'm going to start by sharing you guys my hair loss story, which probably doesn't look like I have hair loss through my videos because I'm very good at hiding it, and that's one of the reasons I part my hair this way, because I have a balding spot that is getting bigger and bigger this way, as you guys can see. It used to be here, and then my hairline is just going and going and going. This side is not as bad, and that's why I part my hair this way. And that's why you guys never notice, because one thing about hair loss is that you don't choose where you have hair loss. You may have a lot of hair in other parts, but then one part is start getting thinner and thinner and thinner, and then the hair starts to get thinner in general. I have hereditary hair loss in my family from both my dad and my mom. My mom used to have hair just like me, very thick. Then she had 3 pregnancies, and each pregnancy her hair fell a lot, but it never stopped falling, so she started having like a couple bald spots. Now she has a lot of bald spots and a lot of thinning hair. So that's why I'm starting this journey now, and I'll take you guys with me. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know I had two pregnancies, and each pregnancy, guys, my hair fell so much. My hair is still falling. When I go in the shower, I literally leave a wig of hair on the shower. Whenever I'm with my toddler, he ends up with hair on his mouth all the time. Mommy's hair. It's actually almost funny. It's an ongoing joke in my family that I shed more hair than if we had a dog. My hair is everywhere. So it's been falling and continues to fall a lot. And my bald spot, my hairline, keeps receding. And even when I do this, I can see there's other spots that used to be more full of hair, especially in the front, and is not anymore. You may say, oh, it doesn't look that bad. Yes, it doesn't look that bad now, but if I don't do anything now, because I know my mom's story, it will get to that point later in the future. Because it is something my mom really struggles, and a lot of women struggles with hair loss, and it's not something that is talked about it too much, because you think hair loss is more for men, but no. Women suffer a lot of hair loss, but it is a struggle for both men and women and can be very upsetting. So I'm going to start this journey with you guys. I'm going to be sharing my before and afters and my experience from using the iRestore system for a long time, because you have to use it at least for 6 months. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So today's the first video. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show everything they sent to me, how I use it, why it works. So now let's get to it. Right, this comes off. It's like a helmet. This has 282 lasers and LEDs, and you guys can see the coverage is very, very good. You have a lot of coverage from the back to the front, and I find that is really good because it does cover the area that I'm concerned, which is my hairline, but it also covers all the way to the back of the head, which is pretty cool. This is the remote control. Oh, they also sent me a portable battery with a little clip on here. So that way you can clip and be hands-free. This is really cool. I'm excited because you guys know I like being able to move around the house. They also sent me these shampoo and conditioner, serum, and it is all parabens-free, sulfates-free, any drug-free, and it helps to strengthen the hair follicle and combat thinning. Vitamin for hair growth. Also sent me a hair gummy. And these vitamins, they have biotin, antioxidants, vitamin C and E, and coconut oil. I'm not currently taking any vitamins for hair loss, so I'll try this out. This is everything was in the box. So let's talk a little bit about what exactly is this product and how that can help with hair loss. So the technology that iRestore uses is low-level light laser combined with LED lights, which you guys know I love LED lights. It's amazing for anti-aging. I use LED lights on my face, but this goes a step further and uses the LED lights as well as a low light level laser. This is actually a professional grade product, which is really cool. The way to use it is to use it every other day for 25 minutes. So you put it on in your head, which is really comfortable. And you have a remote here, and I'm definitely going to use the battery pack so that way it can be movable, especially since you have to use every other day for 25 minutes. It's really good that I can be active during that time. So this is a huge plus for me. iRestore is not an instant product. You have to use at least for 6 months for it to work, because you kind of work with your hair follicle and hair growth. Hair growth works best when you still have hair follicles. So if you had a full bald head, this product will not help because you will not have enough hair follicles to work. So the earlier you have hair loss, the better to start. Let's talk a little bit about the hair cycle. There's different phases of the hair cycle. Your hair spends the majority of its life in the anagen growth phase, which lasts about 2 to 6 years, depending on genetics. The catagen transitional phase begins and signals your body to stop your hair follicle blood supply, while remaining attached to your scalp for about 2 weeks. After this comes the telogen resting phase, where your hair follicle essentially falls asleep until a new hair shaft grows in place and pushes the old hair out. And this process is known as shedding. The way this works is that your hair follicle cells absorb the light energy, which increases their ATP production and cell metabolism. Nitric oxide increases local blood flow, reduces inflammation, and inhibits DHT production, which provides the ideal environment for fuller, thicker hair growth. Losing your hair is a very frustrating process, and you want to get stuff that works. I value guys' time and money, and I will definitely keep you guys posted how this works out for me. It's a professional grade product, and it is an investment. I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below, but I will let you know if this works out for me with before and afters, and I'll keep you guys posted along the way, because I'll be using this for a while. There'll be a lot of other videos, and I'll be sharing with you guys all my updates so you guys know if this truly works. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.